A conductor is a material where electrical charges can easily pass through them. An insulator is a material where electrical charges cannot easily pass through them. A static charge is an electric charge which cannot move. Rubbing certain insulators together can lead them to become electrically charged. When certain insulators rub together, friction causes negatively charged electrons to be scraped off one insulator to another. This leaves a positive static charge for the insulator that has lost the electrons and a negative static charge for the insulator which has gained the electrons. Important, only the electrons move to cause either the positive or negative static charge. So here we have some wool and here we have a metal rod. So if you rub some wool over the metal rod, electrons will jump from the wool to the rod. The wool will have lost electrons, so we'll have a positive static charge. And the rod will have gained electrons, so we'll have a negative static charge. A spark of charge will jump across the gap between a charged object and an unearthed conductor if the potential difference is high enough. If an electric charge builds up on an object, the potential difference between the object and the earth will increase. If this potential difference gets large enough, electrons can jump across the gap, and this is a spark. Two electrically charged materials will exert a non-contact force on each other when brought close together. Like charges repel, so here we have a negative charge, and it's going to repel with another negative charge. Or here we have two positive charges, and we can see they are repelling each other, moving away. Whereas opposite charges attract, so a positive and a negative charge will move towards each other because they attract. These are called electrostatic forces and is a non-contact force. When you rub a balloon on your hair, electrons are transferred from your hair to the balloon. So here we have the balloon and here we have someone's hair. This gives your hair a positive static charge as it loses electrons, and the balloon a negative static charge as it gains those electrons. The hair is then attracted to the balloon as they have opposite charges, so the balloon will stick to the hair. You have now learnt about static electricity. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Why are we the best revision website out there? Well, because we have it all in one place. Revision notes, summary videos, longer, more detailed videos for topics you're struggling on, exam question walkthrough videos where qualified teachers take you through the perfect answers to exam questions, worksheets, quizzes, computer marked exam questions, interactive flashcards, forums, the ability to keep track on where you are using our tick list, and so much more. But that's not all. We run at least 3 live lessons a week, and closer to exam time, this will be more, where you can tune into a qualified teacher teaching lots of different topics each week. The lessons will be interactive, and we go through exam questions and quick quizzes to ensure understanding as you go. We also run drop-in sessions, where you can drop in, ask a tutor anything live, get the answer that you need, and leave. These are included in our silver and gold membership. This means that for an extra £10 a month, you can access at least 12 hours of lessons a month. That's under £1 an hour, which is incredibly cheap. Still not convinced? Try us completely free for 7 days and cancel anytime, completely free of charge. We offer this because we're convinced that you'll love us. So try us now.